Today, we are diving into one of the most versatile and high-performance zoom lenses for Sony full-frame mirrorless cameras, the Sony 24 to 70mm f2.8 GM2. Inside the box, you'll find a petal-shaped ALC 168 lens hood, front and rear lens caps, a high-quality lens case for protection, everything you need to get started right away. Designed for the Sony E-mount, this lens fits seamlessly with both full-frame and APS-C bodies. Despite its robust capabilities, it weighs just 695 grams, making it a great choice for on-the-go creators. The body features a fluorine coating to repel water and oil and a rubber sealing ring for dust and moisture resistance, perfect for demanding environments. It delivers fast, accurate, and silent performance, ideal for both video and still photography. Key specs: focal length 24-70 mm, aperture f2.8 to f/22, filter thread size 82 mm. Whether you are shooting weddings, documentaries, street photography, travel, or commercial video, this lens delivers the clarity, speed, and versatility modern creators demand.